Before Security Bank, we handled our manpower, the billing, and the salary manually. And my staff dedicated around 3 days for that in a week for the construction side alone. Well, after Security Bank, we just do it half a day. My name is Nestor De Jesus Jr. My business is NDJ Engineering Services, but I'm also the president for the PSIM, or the Pambansang Samahan ng Inhinyero Mechanical, and we're a big group of mechanical engineers of the Philippines. For the business side, we have availed of the Business Plus and then we always use the online TG Banker, and it's very convenient for the business, even for both organizations. So we use that. I was trying to find a bank that can, ease the burden of the daily operation when it comes to financial handling. So luckily, I went to the branch. I've run the business since 2002. I wish I was with Security Bank earlier. I'll give you an example. Before Security Bank, we handled our manpower, the billing, and the salary manually. And my staff dedicated around 3 days for that in a week for the construction side alone. Well, after Security Bank, we just do it half a day. So you can imagine the 2.5 days na he or the staff can dedicate to other work. Well, for those thinking to start a business, as others may say, you better prepare yourself, engage a partner to handle your finances. Of course, I am endorsing Security Bank to partner up with them and use the resources that's offered to you kasi it will make your life very easy.